Hi, my name is Andrei Pruteanu and welcome to this course on creating named entity recognition systems with Python. I'll introduce myself. I have a PhD in computer science from Delft University of Technology, the Netherlands, and have worked for companies such as NXP Semiconductors and Digital Science. At Digital Science, I was responsible for back-end processing of large volumes of text documents such as clinical trials and policy documents. I currently am freelance data scientist covering areas such as NLP and time series processing. This course covers the creation of named entity recognition systems. We'll begin by understanding the most important component of such systems, the classification model and the classification metrics used for evaluating its performance, precision, recall, and F1 score. We start with classic machine learning approaches for classification, namely linear regression, decision trees, naive Bayes, logistic regression, and support vector classifier, and use their implementation from scikit-learn Python library. We use CRF suite version of conditional random fields for creating more accurate entity detection models, starting with specific preprocessing that converts the raw dataset into context-aware data format. We use a technique called hyperparameter tuning to improve its performance even further by looking for close to optimal model parameters. We check what the CRF model has learned about entity classification using the LE5 machine learning explainability library. Lastly, we compare the performance of CRF models against a custom, non-tuned entity recognition system trained with one of the most popular NLP libraries, spaCy. We show how the tuned CRF model compares against non-tuned spaCy version and use the library's visualization capabilities to observe its accuracy for a random text selection. Before beginning this course, I recommend you're being familiar with the basics of Python language. The beginner's course in Python, available on Pluralsight, can quickly get you up to speed. I hope you'll join me to learn creating named entity recognition systems with Python at Pluralsight.